Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's episode we are going to be unboxing a replica of the BMW R1200 GS, the grey variant, which is a 1/18 scale diecast motorcycle replica manufactured by Maisto, fresh metal two-wheelers edition. And I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of this amazing diecast motorcycle replica. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So before we get to the good stuff, let's take a quick look at the packaging as always. This BMW R1200 GS diecast motorcycle replica comes in a blister pack card type packaging. So as you can see on this top corner of the packaging, you will see the Maisto logo along with the fresh metal and two-wheelers branding. And on this top corner is the scale of this replica, which is a 1/18 scale. And finally, on the back of the packaging, you will find quite a bit of legal information regarding this diecast model along with the other products that are available. So kindly pause if you want to take a read. So with no further ado, let's get this open. So before we begin, I just want to let you know that I've done an exclusive unboxing and review on this 1/18 scale BMW R1200 GS standard edition variant, which is also manufactured by Maisto, of which I'll drop the link in the description below. So go check it out if you're interested, and please do let me know which one of these variants are your favorite in the comments below. And with that out of the way, my first thoughts about this diecast replica is that it has quite a good and sturdy build quality and made of diecast for the most part, with a few components made of ABS plastic with some good details which are standard with the Maisto motorcycle replicas. And I should admit that this model looks quite amazing and looks exactly like its real life counterpart. And the sculpt, the details and the finish on this replica is excellent and sure will make a good addition to your collection. And with that out of the way, let's get down and take a look at a few features and specifications. Well, this BMW dualsport motorcycle replica comes with a fully blacked out chassis with a grey, brown, silver and black color scheme, which is prominent all throughout this model, along with some minimalistic BMW decals and branding. This replica comes with a fully chrome steerable front fork that contrasts with the rest of the dark theme on this replica. And this model also comes with a well-detailed headlight unit with a visor, a pair of front turn signals, and a speedometer, which has that signature BMW off-road look to it. And this unit flows into an all-black handlebar with a pair of hand grips and protectors, along with a pair of clutch and brake levers. Moving down is a black front fender that wraps around a beautiful all chrome spoke style wheel and a rubber tire with a double disc brake unit, which is also in chrome. And moving on to the midsection, this fuel tank is well sculpted and painted in grey and brown, which seamlessly flow together as a single unit with the BMW logo and the GS R1200 branding on both sides, which are in silver and black. And moving down to the heart of this ride lies a beautiful and well-detailed signature boxer style engine sculpt, which is fully in black and comes with a chrome engine guard and single exhaust, which is in chrome as well, with the rest of the midsection components blacked out. And talking about the seat, it's a standard double-seater which is in black that flows into a well-sculpted tailpiece, which comes with a tail light, a pair of rear turn signals and a number plate. And the rear wheel setup is just the same as the front, but comes with a chain and sprocket unit along with the chrome single disc brake unit as well. And just so you know, the rear wheel setup comes with quite a bit of suspension, unlike the front, which is rigid. And this model comes with free rolling wheels and a side kickstand in case you want to display it. And as far as the specs go, this replica measures in at 4.5 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and weighs in approximately at about 110 grams, which are standard 1/18 scale motorcycle specs. Well, all I can say is that this is a beautiful and well-detailed diecast replica of the BMW R1200 GS, and I'm glad I got this variant to add to my ever-growing 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection. So overall, this is a beautiful diecast replica with some awesome details and is a definite must-have for any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist, especially if you are a BMW enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications, and the Best Buy link for this diecast replica in the description below. So with that out of the way, let's place this amazing and well-detailed BMW R1200 GS replica on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the highly detailed exteriors. And this BMW motorcycle replica gets a massive thumbs up from me for looks as well as for its functionality. And so with that being said, let's place this amazing diecast replica on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this diecast beauty in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on the BMW R1200 GS coming up. The BMW R1200 GS and the R1200 GS Adventure are motorcycles manufactured in Berlin, Germany by BMW Motorrad, part of the BMW Group. It is one of the BMW GS family of dualsport motorcycles. Both motorcycles have a 1170cc two-cylinder boxer engine with 4 valves per cylinder. The Adventure has a larger capacity fuel tank and longer travel suspension. As of 2012, BMW's R1200 GS bikes are their top selling models. At its launch in 2004, the R1200 GS was 30 kgs lighter than the R1200 GS it replaced and produced 100 bhp at an increase of 19%. BMW continued to produce the R1200 GS Adventure, releasing a final runout special edition model before launching the R1200 GS Adventure at the end of 2005 for the 2006 model year. For the 2014 through 2016 model years, there were incremental annual updates, including adjustments to road handling and adding options such as LED headlights, keyless ignition, a quick shifter, an anti-theft system, and another lower seat option. A new ABS mode available as a software update allows safer braking while cornering. And for further information on the BMW R1200 GS, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing BMW R1200 GS replica, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this amazing BMW diecast replica. And kindly subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and do check out the rest of the 118 scale and the 112 scale diecast motorcycle episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this diecast motorcycle episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment and share would be much appreciated. And also click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates. And stay tuned for all new diecast motorcycle episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.